Are you in the middle of stitching your crystal bag and suddenly ran out of thread? Don't panic, it's super simple to fix, so let me show you how. As you can see, my thread is getting really short. All I do is weave it back in, following the same path the original thread took. Just gently loop through a few beads, maybe circle around some of them like this, and that's it. That's all you need to do with the loose end. The stitching in a crystal bag is very secure, so even if you trim the thread right in the middle, it won't fall apart. The structure will still hold perfectly. Then to continue, just thread a new piece and start right where you left off. It's truly that easy. And you can keep going without missing a bead. For more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!